I'm just coating my pears with chai spices and butter. And then I'm gonna add a tiny bit of water. I should have some cranberries. I think I will add some cranberries because they're sitting right here. They just kind of are dying to go in here. Not that you would need to. And now I'm just gonna cover this and turn it. I'm gonna just let it cook on low for 20 minutes. Yay. Go little stove timers. Don't shut off on their own so I don't burn the house down. Although Winston would argue that I close to burn down the house. So I'm trying to work on that. There we go. So I'm gonna put this on like medium, low heat, and then it'll just be perfect. And then when I want some sweetener to have with my food, it'll be all ready. Good pectin, good for microbiome, whole way down.